37 versus 54. Different strokes for different folks. But me nah fish in a baby tank. Me a 54, him a 37. Me done raise picnic. Me season like escabage fish. You know which escabage fish I'm talking about? Me a talk about the red snapper. Salt and salt. And well marinated. Me can't take up liquor sprat. We just learn to swim. And call it kingfish. Me say me can't take up liquor sprat. We are learn to swim and call it kingfish. You want to hear more? Can't take up liquor sprat and call it kingfish. We just a learn to swim. Me want peace, not puppy love. My love come with coconut oil and pension. Yes, my love come with coconut oil and pension. And IUL, protected for life. Not to mention, not a tic-tac, tight pants. No, but come to think about it. If he's 37 and I'm 54, when me a do it little sprat, when me a do it tiki fish, we a go jump up in my little aquarium. Me no deal with tiki fish. The only thing tiki fish do a jump up in an aquarium, my love. No tiki fish around here. No tight pantsers. No earring. Me's a plain Jane. I'll only do a little makeup. And that's it. My type of man. No earring. No tattoo. No tight pants. No bore nose. No piercing. Plain Jane. You have your nice little pants. Your nice little t-shirt. That's it. Neatly. Me no want a man with plait up no ear. No braid no ear. Me want the old school man. He can be 5 years younger than I am. But not the maths where you're going to do 37 from 54 or 54 from 37. Hello here.